does not change. But sanctification takes depression. At yun po ang kriteriya ng ating Panginoon, to be changed, the whole being. Forgave me my sins, and now I have strong muscles. Or maybe sinabi niya, I believe in Jesus Christ, and now I am slimmer na. Ang tuwa siguro, no? Or maybe sinabi mo, na tinanggap ko si Jesus sa buhay ko, nagtubo uli ang aking mga buhok. Pero marag wala man. It doesn't happen that way. You are saved spiritually, but our body does not change. The same as true with your mind. Hindi po nag-change yun. Ang iyong will, ang iyong emotion. Ang una pong binago ni Lord, tinanggal po ni Lord sa atin, yung ating kasalanan. Yun po ang unang pinatawad. Automatic po pinatawad ng ating Panginoon yun. Hindi nyo ba nakikita pagtanggap nyo kay Jesus, siya pareho pa rin yung attitude mo? Nakuha nyo ba yun? Hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin yung attitude. Kaya nga dahan-dahan ang pagbabago. Kaya nga, yun ang tinatawag natin na sanctification. Sanctification takes time. What is salvation? Salvation is instant, but sanctification takes time. Matagal niyo pong nagbaba. Iba nga. Kaya alam niyo naman, di ba? Meron naman kayong mga kakilala siguro dito sa church noong araw pag nagsisimba, nasa loob ng simbahan. Pagkatapos ng service, pumunta sa likod ng simbahan at oxygen sila doon. Alam mo na ang oxygen? Yung naninigarilyo sila doon sa likod ng simbahan. Makikita ko, pero sa akin, sabi ko, okay, nigarilyo kayo. Total, darating din yung panahon, mawawala din yan. Maybe yung iba sa atin, mga saputon kayong dagko. No? Naatay na story nga pet temper, nakay temper, no? And dali na kayo ka saputon. Dali mo rin malawalan ng pasensya. Pero ngayon, after 10 years of being a believer in the Lord, wala lang gihapoy pasensya. Pero dahan-dahan nagbabago po tayo ang buhay po natin. Kaya nga po, sabi nga ni Paul, sabi niya, may the God of peace sanctify your body, soul, and spirit. So the great news is, your sins are forgiven. You can be saved in a moment when you call on the name of the risen God. But healing or becoming more like Jesus is often a process. In other words, your spirit can be saved immediately, but your mind, your will, and your emotion are actually being renewed time over time. You are being sanctified over time. Our change physically, mentally, emotionally is not po immediate. That's why Paul said this in Romans chapter 12 verse 2. Sinabi niya po ito. He said, do not be conformed to the pattern of this world, but be transformed. Ang ibig sabihin ng transform? Be changed. Be more like Jesus. How? By the renewing of your mind. So, nagsisimula po sa utak po natin ang pagbabago. You have to make a conscious decision. Ikaw mismo magdi-decide sa sarili mo at sasabihin mo, this is enough. Tama na. Hanggang dito na lang. You have to make that decision in your mind. In other words, you can genuinely be a child of God. You're saved by Jesus. You love your Jesus, but your mind still needs healing. Kaya po nagkakaroon tayo ng anxiety, nagkakaroon tayo ng depression, at yun po ang puntirya ng ating Panginoon, to be changed, the whole being. Jesus did not save us just simply to save us from sin. No, He saved us ang whole being, the soul, the body, the mind, lahat po yan, whole, holistic po ang process ng ating Panginoon.